good morning, great people, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just get down from the bus and started to walk on the way to my working place. As you can see, early morning, it's now 7 o'clock, very early. So guys, look at the scenery on my work on the way to my working place. This is Georgetown, and as you can see, the building of E&O. This is the roundabout. E&O. This is the place where I walk on the way to my work. Yeah, the E&O. Yeah. So guys, look at that. It's not so much vehicles because it's so early, and also I think public school, they don't have classes today. So okay, just now it was paused, I don't know. So now we are in the traffic light. So and there are some you can see also here the Bay View. They're over there. The sun's so bright. Okay, this is the E&O, very famous one, E&O. Guys, as you can see, the hotel now full. I thought it's already finished the holiday, but still a lot of things. So guys, it's a beautiful day, and look at that, the Oriental Hotel. This is the Bay View. I'm just showing you what I've seen on the way walk. So guys, have a great morning, have a great day, have a full day with joy, and yes, beautiful day. So guys, until here, see you in my next vlog. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below. Happy morning, great morning. Have a great day, great people.